Your hair is growing but you're not retaining length, and you can do that by taking down your protective style the best way possible to reduce breakage. So in this video you'll be seeing how I take down my protective style. Stay tuned because you will need this throughout your whole process. Let's go.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it.
I've had this cornrow for 2 weeks plus, and as you can see, there's visible growth because I was taking care of this protective style throughout the weeks that I had it by moisturizing it with leave-in conditioner and all. So while taking down your protective style, you need moisturizing products as seen in this video. That's your water, your leave-in conditioner, and a white tooth comb. So first off, I'll spray my hair with water because we need moisture so that our hands can slip freely on the surface of our hair and there will be no form of friction, which would also help us to prevent hair breakage. If you can try your best to prevent hair breakage as much as possible, then you're well on your way to retaining a lot of length. So this is just like my procedure taking down my protective style. So in most cases, people comment that their hair is not growing, while in the real sense their hair is actually growing, but their takedown process and routine is terrible. Instead of them to gently unravel their hair, you see them yanking off their hair with a rat tail comb, or they will not thoroughly finger detangle the hair and they will just go in with a rat tail comb to detangle and all of that. So all the process you take would actually help you in the long run, because if you're not careful while taking down your protective style, you will lose inches instead of retaining inches, right? It is a waste of time to leave your protective style for like 1 month and some weeks, and you end up losing the inches that you've actually grown. So this video will just show you the stepwise method of taking down your protective style. I, for one, I don't like using cotton comb to take down protective style. I'll rather use my fingertips to take down this protective style because I'll be able to easily unravel the knot, I'll be able to easily separate my hair strands, and I'll be able to easily do what is right. And over time, like for years now, I have not really used cotton comb to loosen my hair, and it's more or less like a part of me. So do what works for you. If a cotton comb is easier for you to use to loosen your hair, it's fine, but be very careful while taking down your protective style. Moving on, ensure that you detangle at least 3 of your cornrows together. At least 3 of your cornrows together, maximum 4 of your cornrows, depending on the size. If you have like 4 big cornrows, when you take down one, you detangle one. But if you have like a lot, as you can see on my scalp, I can practically take down like 3, spray water, apply leave-in conditioner, and detangle. This would actually help you to section your hair well, and when you're done, you twist it up as you can see in this video. Once you repeat this process, you realize that you are detangling less amount of hair put together as opposed to detangling your whole head, and that will actually take you time and it is more stressful. So if you can do this, take down some cornrows, detangle it and twist it up. Continue the process to the end and you will see that you retain more length. If you have like shea butter handy, you can also apply it to the tip of your hair strands. This would aid more slip. Or if you have like rosemary oil, you can as well use it while taking down your protective style, but don't use it in excess, right? The major things that you would need is your water, leave-in conditioner, and a white tooth comb. Once you have this mentioned, you're good to go. Don't forget to take care of your scalp as much as possible. When you finally take down your protective style, ensure you wash your scalp thoroughly to get rid of product buildup, to get rid of dirt, to get rid of whatever it is that you could have accumulated during the duration of your protective style. So I hope that this whole technique would help you moving on to take down your protective style gently and with more patience, because whatever you do while taking down your protective style would affect your hair in the long run. As you can see, I have been gentle and I'm still gentle, and this is how I take down my protective style. If you want more ways on how to retain length, get my ebook. The link is in the description box, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next. Just enjoy the rest of the video.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, gotta watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, gotta watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him.